I'm moving.
Not continue here. Not continue here. Taking wallet.
I cannot explain to you. I'll tell you later.
Okay, I will I will I'm moving.
Actually, I don't bring.
I'm moving. I'm moving. Wow.
Not continue here. Not continue here. Take your stuff
Why you
and
guys?
we leave.
Why you guys still sit there?
No, we're taking wallet.
That is my
Okay.
wallet, bitch.
Okay,
Let's go.
you take the wallet and then you come here right now.
Okay, boy. No, I'm sorry. Malu do something bad attitude.
What? What?
I cannot explain to you. I'll tell you later. Okay? Can you move? You're blocking my way. I want to take my bag. You sit on top of my bag. How come I want to take my wallet and my key?
Sorry. Your bag. Bag.
Okay, that was you choose. You want to call Malu or call me?
Yuka.
You call.
Your car.
My car is the oil is blinking.
Oh.
Yeah,
Expired oil?
but for you, I can stop the blinking.
No. Okay. No. You come here and then I will.
Buy the oil for me,
Yes, I can.
handsome boy.
Don't worry. I will. I will. I will.
What you will?
I will easy the oil.
You
for
will
your car.
put the oil?
Yeah.
No, he's just kidding.
No, it's seriously.
He's good.
I really want to change my
Yeah, no, we go out is serious. The oil also serious.
This one.
Yes, everything serious.
That was this girl do bad attitude again.
Kak Rai, terima kasih Kak Rai. What? What attitude?
It's really bad.
She moving the.
What?
This girl, her mulut very difficult to stop.
Why?
Once she say something is hell.
It's a bad. You don't flip the camera because so bad.
What? Melur just wearing wearing G-string?
Don't play with me, ya. Aku pasal orang gini.
No, she is like standing.
Yes.
I can imagine.
No, don't imagine.
Melur use
don't
G-string.
Imagine you go to hell. Wait, okay, that was she's wearing crop top now.
Crop top?
My chocolate. My chocolate crop top.
Faster, girl.
Cakap banyak.
You know what, boy? This girl, she getting ready like going to dinner.
I wearing dress.
She wearing blazer.
What? Why you wearing blazer,
She
Melur?
look like a lawyer.
I'm a lawyer, Barbie girl.
Can you fast?
Can you
Can you pass emotional damage?
You know what? When you live with Malo, your ears shit go out every time.
Sorry.
Come out.
I have to keep quiet. Okay. I noticed.
I miss your voice.
No, I don't talk to you, bitch.
It's like every time when I talk with her, it's like psst, psst, psst.
It's like petikan api.
It's like sparkling inside my ears.
Okay, that is a memory from us. To you.
Oh my god, Malo. Your position now is very dangerous.
Don't talk to anybody. This only you and me can see it.
My stomach hurt. Tak jadi lepak ke Max ke? What do you mean?
I understand you, bitch.
Bila mau pergi lepak mama. What do you guys talk about?
English. We Malay no.
Malay don't understand.
Yeah.
Makeup girl.
No, I don't want to make it.
What
She
Malur,
opened her makeup bag.
what Malur doing? Oh, she's
Malur-
wearing crop top.
She right now she like wearing sweater. I like that Roya.
It's not Roya. This is fashion.
What is koya in English, guys?
Rubber.
Robert. Koyak dalam bahasa Inggeris. Robert.
It's like her shirt got Robek. Robek is like fashion.
So fashion, so Balenciaga.
I wish
Yes.
I can be like that.
This one is we call balance. Tak balance.
Unbalenciaga.
Balenciaga. But I want the Chanel. Chanel one.
Ask your husband.
Husband? Who is my husband?
Who's your mama? Who's your mama?
Who's your papa? No,
Ask your
Okay,
husband.
bye.
Do you guys don't know about ask your husband?
I know. That girl.
Yes, that girl have a diabetes.
God.
That girl that like get caught. Hey boy, you see this? It's so cute.
Oh my god. Hamster.
I have this same with my boy. Oh, my
My
boy.
boy.
Who said that?
Oh my Gucci.
Prada.
Dior.
I want to wear this perfume.
You can buy on the table.
Okay boy, let's go. I'm moving now.
Ini kita sampai nih kedai mama tu tukar sudah bukan mama jadi bapak.
I'm sorry boy, I wish I can help you. Girl. Yoka or Maika? Where's my key, man?
Yeah.
Wait, mana kunci kereta I, babe?
Lu orang balik kan?
Kunci kereta I kat mana, babe?
Where is your key, bitch?
Melu, can you stop saying cursing word?
I love that cursing word.
Okay, babe, let's go. Right.
Malur,
Yeah.
Mama, don't show me.
there is nothing change on you.
Huh?
There is nothing.
Mama, don't show me.
Wow. Wow. You look like girl from gym.
Yeah. After this, we are go.
Yalah. After this. Yalah.
And also, Sophie. Already?
Yes, it's very
Wow, so fast.
Melur
Oh
macam
my
Cik
God.
B.
Tak ada slipper lah. Slipper dalam kereta. What I'm talking in Malay? Who's that say?
What wearing heels.
Alamak, we don't have the card dalam
Sandal.
Dalam bilik. Habis
You don't need to use card.
naik nanti suruh. Nanti lift pun sama.
We say-
susah kerja dia.
Yes.
Oh, sorry guys, we talking about in Malay. Cakap manyo. Bye Snowy, take yourself, okay?
My outfit is in their language.
Yeah, look at my
Snowy.
bowl. So big.
Cik Bilal. Tak, dia tunjuk benda lain, cakap benda lain. Nate beruk. Say, you want to go brisk walk?
I'm a single lady.
Wait, I'm wearing heels.
Wait, nak turun boleh pakai kad ni?
No need.
Sure.
Yes, honey. Pergi mana? We're going out. We're going up, 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 some more. Swimming with a bit of dozer. Honey, bit of dozer. Oh, up, up, up.
Kacipnya. Itulah Aina yang sebenar. Okey, dorang lag sekejap. Itulah Aina yang sebenar, kita rumuskan. Kamu sendiri nampak kan? Itulah Aina yang sebenar. Okey. Kalau kami berkumpul, Aina memang bagi keluar siapa dia sebenar. Itu yang biasa Aina. Aina sangat lucu, jujur cakap. Kalau aku dengan Aina, dengan Asla, dengan Melur, aku ketawa gara-gara Aina je. Aina memang kacip. Dia bukan Aina? Are you guys already arrived at the mama? Aina, Melur, where are you guys? Do you guys hear me? Oh, the lift falling down? Oh my god. Oh my god. The lift is falling. The lift is falling down. Oh my god. So sad on you. Sorry ya. Kalau di Sabah memang selalu cakap Anu tu kalau bagi kami macam benda yang tak tahu kita mau cakap apa. Jadi kita stop di bahagian anu. Fahamkah? Siapa Sabah faham lah. Anu tu dia bukan benda kotor. Jangan risau ya. Itu dia lebih kepada yang itu anu. Gitu, begitu. Begitulah anu. Apa?